7 ways to get the most out of alone time. How do you feel about spending time alone? When we're young, we tend to think of time away from others as something to avoid. We look at it negatively, as though we're missing out. In truth, what we don't always realize until we're more mature is just how beneficial and even wonderful alone time can be. Not quite ready to believe it? Take a look at 7 ways to get the most out of your alone time and see if your mind doesn't change. Rephrase the situation. The language we use dictates our response. If you've been saying how much you hate alone time or how lonely it makes you, you're setting yourself up for failure. Instead, use terms such as a date with yourself or something else equally positive to define this time. Plan. Just taking time off isn't enough to make you love alone time. In fact, you're more likely to become bored or lonely if you just stop and shut out everything. You need to plan time for yourself. Make it something to look forward to, so you can ready yourself mentally for the shift from being social to enjoying time with yourself. Create a goal. What do you intend to do during your time alone? Having something in mind to do will help keep you from burning out before you even begin. Do something different. Want to make alone time something you really look forward to? Why not try something you normally don't do? This would be the perfect time to experiment in the kitchen, or to grab a book you wouldn't normally read, or take yourself on an outing somewhere you've never been. Whatever you choose, make it unique and something just for you. Drop the screen time. You're not alone if you're connected to the rest of the world. This is the perfect time to drop the social media and quit checking texts and emails for a while. This is time for you, not for anyone else. Get in the moment. If you're worried about the future or fretting about something which happened in the past, you're not able to enjoy your time alone right now. Get in the moment. Start your alone time with meditation or through practicing mindfulness to put yourself in the right headspace to enjoy this moment right now. Make it special. No matter what, remember, this is about time for you. Here's where you want to pamper yourself just a little bit. Treat yourself to the best. After all, you're worth it.